Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Do you have dry skin? Are you breaking out? Do you have acne? Like, do you want to hydrate your skin? Do you want to improve your skin? Do you want to improve the elasticity of your skin and you don't want to use any product on your skin? You want to use natural remedies? Watch this video because I've got you. In this video, I'll be showing you 2 ingredients that can help you achieve that. 2 ingredients that can help hydrate your skin, give you a very glowing and a plumpy skin, like your skin will be skinning after using this treatment. This treatment will change your skin game. This treatment will elevate your skin game, okay? I'll be showing you how you can hydrate your skin, rejuvenate your skin, and increase your skin elasticity at home. Guys, this is me when I was having serious skin problems. I was having acne, hyperpigmentation, pimples, name it. This is when I was dealing with a lot on my face. And I've tried a lot of products, but they didn't work until I started using DIYs. And when I started using DIYs, I was consistent with it and I gave it time. And with time, guys, I started seeing a lot of changes on my face. And now this is what my face looks like. After so many months of trying DIYs, this is what my face looks like. So this is to tell you that DIYs do really work, but you need to be consistent. You need to give it a time, okay? So without much talk, let's get right into it. So to prepare this treatment, the first ingredient we are going to be using is honey. We are going to be using honey because honey is very good to the skin. I don't know if you have been using honey on your skin, but if you've not, please, this is the time for you to try it. And if you have to make use of honey, please try to get raw honey because this honey will help to treat acne. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effect, which can help fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Honey is also a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, making it an excellent moisturizer for a dry and sensitive skin. This is where that plumpiness comes in. It will help to retain moisture on your skin. So the next thing I added is turmeric. Turmeric is there to help brighten your skin and also get rid of acne and dark spots on your skin. So after adding all this, you go ahead and mix it very well. As you can see, I made it in a small quantity because I don't think there's any need for you to make it in a large quantity and still keep it in the fridge and use the next day. You can easily make this anytime you want to make use of it. That's why I am making it in a small quantity, but if you want to make a bigger one, go ahead and make it. So guys, here I have the treatment with me and I'll be showing you guys how you can use this treatment for maximum result. Before you use this treatment, make sure you wash your face because you don't want to apply it on a dirty face, okay? So I have the treatment right here with me. If you have your brush, you can go ahead and make use of brush, but I'll be making use of my hand to apply it on my face. My face is already washed, as I said. So go ahead and apply this on your face. Did you see that? Did you see that? Go ahead and apply it everywhere on your face. This treatment will help your face to be so smooth. It will help your face to glow. This treatment is suitable for dark spots, acne, and hyperpigmentations. This treatment is what you need to treat your acne and pimples at home. If you don't want to use any product on your skin, this treatment is the option you have. This will help to reduce every dark spot, every acne and hyperpigmentations you're having. With consistency, you will see a very great change on your face. You will see a very great change on your skin. This is suitable for dark spots. You can also apply this on your knuckles, on your knees if you have dark knuckles and dark knees, okay guys? This is how you can use this treatment to achieve a very glowing skin. Please, if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you in my next one. For now, bye.